without you.
Good morning, this is Ted from the Devils in the Detail. I've finished the escort detail, as you know, and before I started that I was on the 230 SL, and if you remember I was grinding out all the welds around the headlight bowl and across this panel where I found about an inch of filler, and basically when they've welded it up and joined, well, you can see the brass sticking through, they've joined this panel to this panel, they've bashed it about to, you know, get it to line up this end, but caused loads of damage to the metalwork. The lip had been lost. Supposed to be a lip here that looks straight, and so basically what I did, I've put the first skim of filler on, and when I'd knocked it most of the way down, I put a guide coat of primer, and this is really aids us in finding the high and low spots of the metalwork. So where you can see the grey, they're low spots, and then this is a high spot. Well, these will be just tapped in very, very slightly. It's left a low spot this side, but it's because that's high. High spot just there, a couple of low spots and holes in the filler, which will be taken care of on the second skim. We've got the lip back into shape here that I ground all the weld off, and now we've got the right shape and for the water drain. This shape in the middle, this has been the most difficult part to try and straighten up, and you know, they'd filled over the clip holes, and there's one here, that one there you could see. I'm going to make sure the clip holes are exposed like they should be, and for those of you that read my thread that was posted about this car, you'll know that one of the very first things I noticed was a reflection in the bumper. The chrome bumper sits out here and reflects everything that's shown on this panel. So it's imperative that I get this panel nice and straight with as little filler on it as possible. And then you can see, you know, the filler is only, you know, less than a millimetre's worth of filler by the time I've, you know, tapped the metal into more of a shape. We don't want it full of filler that's going to crack and do the same thing as it did after the last repair. I was fortunate enough to find a block that's the exact size of the channel, so I've been able to really get all the lines for the lower part back as they should be, using this little block with some 80 grit paper. And of course, you know, it helps using this as a flat to be able to find the level for the rest of the panel. So with a little bit of manipulation of the metal, tapping it back just a touch and re-skimming, we should be able to get this, you know, back level with all the lips in place as they should be, and not have to clag it up. Although this side looks like it's clagged, but if you remember, there was a big hollow here. You know, it wasn't supposed to be hollow, it was just full of like tar product, and now that's coming back straight as well. So the same will happen. There looks like a lot of filler on, but by the time it's knocked down, it'll look like this. So that's the progress on this so far, and obviously I'll try and add another video or two as we progress and start getting the shape back as it should. You know, it's probably a couple of days work more before I'll finish it, but it's well on the way now. You know, it's progressing quite well. So Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Starting to get the shape now. Still needs another rub down and fill some spots, but the shape of the middle's coming nicely and the lines coming back, so nearly there.